hope, and perseverance. My best days are ahead of me. I trust my ability to overcome obstacles. I am hopeful and divinely guided. I turn setbacks into setups for my comeback. I am surrounded by blessings I have yet to discover. I honor my commitment to myself and my future. I am trusting the wisdom of the universe. I am making progress every single day. I carry light and hope everywhere I go. I keep showing up even when it's hard. I am filled with optimism and light. I am determined and unstoppable. I choose to see the potential in every moment. I choose persistence over instant gratification. I find joy and gratitude in this present moment. Every small step I take is a victory. I believe in the power of my dreams. I draw strength from my past successes. I attract positive energy and favorable outcomes. I am learning and improving with every attempt. I'm open to receiving my greatest good. I'm steadfast in the pursuit of my dreams. I am releasing fear and embracing possibility. I am a finisher and I follow through. I hold a clear vision of my desired future. I have the tenacity of a winner. I am supported and loved by the world around me. I will succeed because I refuse to give up. I choose to be a source of hope for others. I rest when I need to, but I never quit. I believe in a bright and beautiful future. I will not give up. I will try one more time. I trust that good things are coming my way. My commitment to my goals is unwavering. My heart is open to miracles and possibilities. I am stronger than any challenge in front of me. I am holding on to hope and letting go of doubt. I am resilient and I always bounce back. A beautiful destiny is unfolding for me right now. I have the stamina to see this through to the end. I am excited for the wonderful things to come. My effort will definitely pay off. I am safe and everything is working out for me. I am focused on the goal, not the difficulty. I see solutions instead of problems. I am capable of handling this pressure. My mind is filled with positive expectations. I am empowered by my own willpower. I choose faith over fear. I take action and move forward with courage. My best days are ahead of me. I trust my ability to overcome obstacles. I am hopeful and divinely guided. I turn setbacks into setups for my comeback. I am surrounded by blessings I have yet to discover. I honor my commitment to myself and my future. I am trusting the wisdom of the universe. I am making progress every single day. I carry light and hope everywhere I go. I keep showing up even when it's hard.